In the heart of a vast ocean, where the water was crystal clear and the coral reefs shimmered with vibrant colors, there lived a brave little turtle named Toby. Toby was not like the other turtles in his family. He was smaller and slower, but what he lacked in size and speed, he made up for with courage and determination. One day, while exploring the coral reef with his friends, Toby spotted a group of fish trapped in a fishing net. The fish were thrashing and struggling, desperately trying to free themselves from the tangled mess. Toby knew he had to help them. Without hesitation, Toby swam towards the net, his heart pounding with fear. The net was tangled and twisted, and Toby knew that freeing the fish would be no easy task, but he refused to give up. With all his might, Toby pushed and pulled at the net, using his sharp beak to cut through the tangled strands. He worked tirelessly, ignoring the ache in his muscles and the burning in his lungs, until at last, the net began to unravel, and the fish was set free. The fish darted away, their scales shimmering in the sunlight as they swam to safety. Toby watched them go, a sense of pride swelling in his chest. He had done it. He had saved the fish from certain doom. But just as Toby began to swim away, a shadow fell over him. Looking up, he saw a menacing figure looming above him, a shark, its razor-sharp teeth glinting in the sunlight. Toby's heart raced with fear, but he refused to back down. He had faced danger before, and he would not let fear hold him back now. With a fierce determination, Toby swam towards the shark, his tiny fins propelling him forward with all the strength he could muster. The shark circled around Toby, its jaws snapping dangerously close, but Toby was nimble and quick, dodging and weaving as he darted through the water. He knew he had to keep the shark distracted long enough for his friends to escape to safety. Just when it seemed like all hope was lost, Toby spotted a hidden cave nestled among the rocks. With a burst of speed, he raced towards it, the shark hot on his tail. But as they reached the mouth of the cave, Toby suddenly stopped, spinning around to face the shark head-on. With a fierce cry, Toby lunged forward, his sharp beak striking the shark's vulnerable underbelly. The shark recoiled in pain, its eyes wide with shock. And in that moment of hesitation, Toby seized his chance. Into the depths of the ocean, defeated by the bravery of a small but determined turtle.